I've had this Delter Coffee Press for about 5 years now and I still love it. Today I'm going to show you how I use it to make coffee at camp and how I clean it afterwards. First you'll need to boil some water, then to set it up you just put one of these filters in the cap. It actually comes with 100 of them and I still haven't run out. Then just rinse the filter with a tiny splash of water so it sticks to the cap. The coffee goes right in here, and this is the doser for measuring the coffee grounds. I never actually use it because I always make 2 cups at a time and just fill the chamber right to the top. I'm also just using regular medium ground coffee from the grocery store, the kind you'd use in a drip coffee maker or French press, and it works great every time. Screw the cap on nice and tight so it seals properly. If it isn't threaded all the way, it can leak when you start pressing, so make sure it's really tight. And it's got these lines on the front so you can measure the water. Pour the hot water up to the max fill line, which is enough for 1 cup of coffee. Then you can use the doser as a lid to protect your hand from the hot steam. And then pull the plunger up only a little bit at first and start pushing down to bloom the grounds. This just hydrates them so they can extract the coffee properly. From there you want to press the water through slowly in stages. That's really the key with the Delter. If you rush it, you won't extract the coffee properly. So this took me about 6 minutes total for 2 cups. So when that first cup is done, I'll just repeat the exact same thing with the second one. Because the coffee grounds stay in their own chamber, it makes a really bright, clean tasting cup. I find it tastes noticeably better than a French press or drip coffee maker, and that's one of the reasons I really love this. So once all the water is through, I just plunge some air a few times to get all that coffee goodness out of those grounds. Now you'll notice that the first cup is quite a bit stronger than the second, so to even it out, I just pour them back and forth a few times. If I had one bigger container or carafe, then I wouldn't have to do this, but less is more when you're camping. Cleanup is really simple. I just dump out the grounds into the fire pit, give it a quick rinse, then wipe it dry. And that's usually enough until I get home. Because coffee does leave residual oils, you'll want to do a deeper clean with soapy water after your trip. Just remember that it isn't dishwasher safe, but it only takes a minute to clean, so that doesn't really bother me. And that's it. You can just let it air dry and then put it back together before storing. If you don't mind taking your time when brewing, I think it makes a really flavorful cup of coffee. It's lightweight, easy to clean, and definitely worth bringing on every trip.